Hi everyone, check out the Tory Burch TY6105 cat eye sunglasses in shiny gold and dark violet, designed for women seeking style and comfort. These sunglasses feature a full-rim metal frame with a 55mm lens width, perfect for oval and triangle face shapes. The dark violet biopolyamide lenses provide 100% UV protection, ensuring your eyes stay safe while offering clear, comfortable vision. Lightweight and durable, the shiny gold frame fits securely for extended wear without sacrificing elegance. This bundle includes a care kit with lens cleaner, screwdriver keychain, mirror, and microfiber cloth to maintain your lenses. Plus, it comes with a premium Tory Burch case and micro bag to protect your sunglasses on the go. Backed by a 2-year warranty, these sunglasses combine lasting quality with timeless style for your everyday needs. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.